So you might be in a position where for some reason your Snapchat stories are just not loading. Now, what does this mean? Well, essentially, sometimes you may be going through and looking at your Snapchat stories here or wherever, and you might be seeing that none of these stories are loading whenever you try to go through and load them. Now, the main way to go ahead and fix this for the most part is by one, double checking and triple checking your Wi-Fi and internet connections. If you are in a situation where your Wi-Fi is not good or your internet connection is not good or whatever the case is, usually that is going to be the reason why none of this stuff is working for you. So just double check the Wi-Fi connection, go double check the internet connection or cellular connection here too. And like I said, a majority of the time, that is probably going to end up fixing it. If you make your way over to other websites or other applications, let's say you go to google.com or whatever, just go ahead and make sure things are loading. And if that ends up being the case, then it's probably not an internet connection problem. Now, the next thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that that person hasn't randomly deleted that story that you're trying to watch or anything like that. Sometimes if you try to load a story, sometimes it'll load, but it will look like it's not loading because they deleted it. And if multiple people delete their stories at the same time, it can give the impression that Snapchat's not working, when in reality that story was like loaded in cache before and it just didn't delete properly on the server end of Snapchat. Basically, just go ahead and just close out of Snapchat, go back into it, and that might end up fixing it. Now, if that still doesn't work, make your way back into your app store right here, and all I would recommend doing is updating the Snapchat application. So just go and click down here, go and click on and just type in Snapchat, and all you want to do here is go and update that Snapchat application. So click here, update Snapchat. I will probably be honest, that might end up fixing it for a majority of people. If that is still not working, you can make your way over to a website that I would recommend going on to, which is downdetector.com. So what this website is, there's plenty of websites like this that show you this. There's isitdown.com. You can go on Twitter and see if Snapchat is trending. And all you want to do here is just see if Snapchat is one of these first few pages. If it's down, it's always been number one. But if not, you can always scroll through here and you'll find Snapchat rolling around somewhere. So all you want to do is go ahead and find Snapchat. If it's on here, all you want to do is just wait it out until people stop saying that it's down, and then it should probably be fixed at that point. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.